What's the meaning of barbed wire? Barbed wire. Barbed wire.
Barbed wire. Barbed wire. Barbed wire is a type of fencing material that is designed to prevent animals or people from crossing a boundary. It is made up of twisted strands of wire with barbs or spikes spaced at regular intervals along its length. The barbs are sharp and pointed, making it difficult to climb over or cut through the wire. Barbed wire was first developed in the late 19th century as a means of controlling livestock, and it soon became widely used for military purposes as well. Today, barbed wire can be found in a variety of settings, including farms, prisons, and border crossings.